If you look at this problem now, this is an important question. X square divided by a square plus 1 plus y square divided by a square plus 2 is equal to 1. Now eccentricity is given in the problem as 1 divided by root 6. Root 6, is it okay? 1 divided by root 6. Root 6 is an irrational number. Now what is the value of a is the question asking you. See now, if we directly look at the problem now, we have to say a square plus 1 is less than a square plus 2 if a is a natural number. But if a is a fraction, then a square plus 1 is lesser than a square, is bigger than a square plus 2. Is it right? A square plus 1 is lesser than a square plus 2. So now what we'll do, we'll compare with the, look here. I'll compare with the, if I want to get an answer now. See, let's go by the assumption like this. Let's go by the assumption that a square plus 1 is less than a square plus 2. Correct or not? Obviously, a square plus 1 is always less than a square plus 2. Even if you take one whole number, yeah, it's true. If you take one number a as 1 by 2, just for instance, 1 by 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 2, what is this answer? That is equal to 9 by 4. So 5 by 4 is less than 9 by 4. That is making sense. Now the question is asking you to calculate. What you do now, you compare with the, so I'll write like this. A square plus 1 is less than a square plus 2. Correct. So compare with the x square divided by b square plus y square divided by a square, that is equal to 1. So this implies to me that b square is equal to a square plus 1 and a square is equal to a square plus 2. A square is equal to b square plus c square. This is the relation in the ellipse between a, b, c. A square plus 2, that is equal to a square plus 1 plus c square. Correct or not? So I can write 1 is equal to c square, right? Correct. This is one important thing. A square plus 1 is less than a square plus 2. So x square by b square. So this is the conjugate ellipse case. If you can see this case, this is the case of a conjugate ellipse. If I can draw this and show you. So this is the x-axis, y-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis, right? This is the origin 0, 0. This is the point 0, c. This is the point 0, a, correct? This is the point 0, minus c. This is the point 0, minus a. This is the point b, 0, and this is the point minus b, 0, right? Minus b, 0. So c square is equal to 1. So therefore, what's the value of c is equal to 1. So 1 divided by a is equal to 1 divided by root 6. This implies a is equal to root 6. Now one more mistake what a student will do is mark the answer as root 6. That is not correct here because a is by the definition of ellipse. It is not matching a here. So what I have to do here, question is asking for this value of a now. This value of a. Is it okay? So a square is equal to a square plus 2. Are you following? This a is what we have got here. This a. Root 6 the whole square is equal to a square plus 2. Are you following? So 6 minus 2 is equal to a square. So 4 is equal to a square. So the value of a will be equal to what is it? 2. The answer to the question is not root 6. Root 6 is as per the definition of the ellipse. This a is what we have got here. This a. We have got whatever a we have got is this a. But in the question a is something else, right? A is nothing but a square plus 2. So question is asking for what is that value of a. A is equal to 2 is the answer to the question.